Hey, what's good everyone, Chris here, welcome back to the channel, and today we're talking about creativity, and we're talking about the fact that because we're shooting over and over again, and pretty much the same subjects sometimes, I have the feeling that some of us are getting burned, and burnt doesn't necessarily means you want to drop everything off and don't do it again. It means that your level of creativity is getting way down. Because of that, I came up with a solution, and I hope you guys will enjoy it more. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Please don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up, and let's get to it. So the solution that I came up with, it's pretty simple. It's something that probably all of you thought about it, but never did it. Or maybe you did it and it didn't work. Nonetheless, that helped me to get back to, let's say, this path of photography and enjoy it more and more every day. It's a simple solution. I came up with a, let's say, challenge for me every month, and I created the bucket list or the bucket shot for every month, and I set a goal to create a photo that I will be happy with at the end of the month. Just one photo, and that is maybe a little bit low for a professional photographer, but that photo makes me and keeps me on my tippy toes every day to think about it and go there and create it. You might be in your house, it might be in another room, it might be in your backyard, it might be 30,000 miles away, it might be 3,000 miles away. No matter what, that bucket shot will probably make you think every day of it and create a process in your brain that will help you stay creative, and that is the challenge that I am talking to you about. So because of that, and because my Instagram is getting very low, I start the account that I have right now not long ago, and I didn't pay much attention to it. I was uploading from time to time, but now I want to raise it up and I want to ask you to follow me. I'm just kidding. I do need you to follow me so you can tag the photos that you're putting, because this is all about the challenge that I was telling you. And let's create this small community in the community, because Instagram is not going the way we're expecting or the way it should go. It's a creative platform and it transforms in a marketplace full of ads, and people are selling stuff. There are a lot of influencers trying to sell their services. Nonetheless, let's make this small community in the huge community of Instagram and create these hashtags every month. Let's say bucket January, bucket February, bucket. Yeah, I think this is a good hashtag. Let's set it up for bucket June, because this is the month of June, and by the end of the month I'm gonna look up all the photos and maybe put them in a video and talk about it a little bit and let you know my opinion about it. I'm not criticizing art, because that's the worst thing that you can do. Art is subjective and it's subjected to the creator, and I can't criticize your art, but I will probably be able to criticize the composition and the lighting and stuff that, let's say, are essential when you're taking a photo. So if you want to be part of it, please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the handle here, and let's create the hashtag bucket month. And month is the name of the month that we're doing, so it's gonna be bucket June for this month, and let's see how it works. If you are up to it, let me know in the comments below, and maybe you can give me more ideas about this. I want to interact with you more, and I can't wait for the live stream that we're gonna have 1,000 subscribers. It's gonna happen soon, as well as other things, other good things that are gonna happen after that. And guys, if that was helpful, and if you think that this solution will help you keep your photography on the right path and your creativity, it's gonna level up a little bit, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and also don't forget to give these videos a thumbs up. It's the only support that I'm asking for you right now, because that helps these videos be seen by more people, and The algorithm of YouTube does that. Every time you get thumbs ups and comments, the video is gonna be bumped up in the rankings, and I hope these videos will be seen by more, because that's my purpose, to help you guys. I'm not gonna keep you long. It's a nice weekend. I hope that you're gonna have beautiful weather. I'm hoping that you guys are gonna stay focused and go outside and shoot, and I will definitely see you in a bit.